Oh, hello all. Done some work on the car today. Just updating as we go. This is a shot of the motor after the rebuild. There's not much difference, but with obviously a new water pump, alternator, put in the oil catch can which is there, and today I did the K&N filter upgrade. The car's been tuned so it was running to a little bit rich in order to accept this and do this, so that we've got a better MX. Hopefully you can hear the note and the difference. We'll go around to the back. So that's how the car sits. It's on Trackhawk rims. Still not too sure what to do with them, whether to paint them gloss black. Be interested in your feedback. They're the 20 by 10.5. I've also got to do the camber and do an alignment to straighten those up, because the last set of tyres wore out too early. And just listen to the note. Much different than original. And that's just with the standard exhaust. And there we go. That's the 2014 SRT fully rebuilt motor. Thanks guys, comment, like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Alright, so we're inside the car now. It's in a 50 zone. Remember, this has standard exhaust, nothing's done to it yet. It's got the suitcase air filters in the back. Maybe we do an upgrade soon with headers and all that sort of stuff, but a lot of other priorities yet. So I'm just doing a road test. And I'm in track mode, so it's holding the exhaust. Alright. Alright, that's it.